We're here at Ambassador Collision, training with firemen down here from Deer Park, Houston, Sugar Land. We're working on newer vehicles instead of the older ones that we normally get in a wrecking yard. So we're showing them the high strength steel in these cars.
We're getting real world experience on these kinds of vehicles because these are the vehicles that are wrecking and crashing and we have victims in today. Before, when we approached the car and we seen that we had airbag deployment, we pretty much rendered it safe at that point. We can't so much do that now. We have to take into account that there could be a secondary deployment.
As I call certified techs, we know the structural integrity of these cars and how they crumple in, different accidents. Since we see as many examples at our shop, it's amazing to see how first responders learn the same principles in order to save lives.
These are extrication tools. They're run on batteries, Milwaukee M28s. They spread metal. We have cutters that cut it. We have rams that push metal away from the patient. We want to take that car away from our patient as quick and as easily as possible. So we're showing them the high strength steel in these cars and how these tools can help them make better cuts.
Nothing replaces real world, real metal. I cut this kind of car, I cut this kind of metal, and I know what it does. The fact that CarStar, an Ambassador Collision, National Auto Body Council, Genesis Rescue Systems provides this service to first responders, it's invaluable. They can't just go get this every day. And I highly recommend creating those relationships with your local body shop to just come by and take a look at cars when it's in that skeletonized shape while you guys are trying to put that car back together.